你好, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao. I'm your Chinese teacher. Welcome to the first level of our Chinese character course, Lesson 3. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the fourth basic stroke and 7 new characters. Well, let's get started. The fourth basic stroke is the right falling stroke. We call it na, which is written from top to bottom right. Let's look at some characters which have this right falling stroke na. This character is 人. It's originally written like this. The ancient written form looks like a person who is standing sideways, which refers to the meaning of person. The current version still means person. Let's look at 3 words with the character 人. In lesson 1, I already showed you the word 工人,工人. 工 means to work. 工人, work person, is worker. 2 new words. 男人. The character 男 means male. 男人, male person, is man. 女人. The character 女 means female. 女人, female person, is woman. 女人, woman. Here is the correct stroke order of 人, 撇, na. The left falling stroke 撇 is higher than the right falling stroke na, and they join each other. Only 2 strokes. One more time. 撇, na, 人, person. This character is 个. You can see, the top part is the character 人, the bottom part is the vertical stroke 树, which indicates a single person. Its ancient written form looks like a single bamboo, so the character 个 has the meaning of single or individual, and is also the most commonly used measure word in Chinese. If you are not clear about what Chinese measure words are, please check Lesson 9 of our elementary Chinese course. Let's look at 3 examples with the measure word 个. 一个人. 一个人 means one person. 个 here is the measure word for person. 3000个工人. 3000 is 3,000. 个 is the measure word. 工人 is worker. 3000个工人 means 3,000 workers. 8个工厂. 8, 8. 个 is the measure word. 工厂 is factory. 8个工厂, 8 factories. In Chinese, we have many different measure words, and normally each noun has its specific measure word, but the measure word 个 can be used for many different nouns. Here is the correct stroke order of 个, 撇, na, 树. Remember, the top part actually is the character 人, and the stroke 树 doesn't touch the character 人. 3 strokes in total. One more time. 撇, na, 树, 个, the most commonly used Chinese measure word. This character is... Thanks for watching. Remember to visit litaochinese.com for the full version of this video lecture and the complete learning package.